And we got a good list to get through. We begin in Carl Junction with Creighton Dooley celebrating birthday number 5. Creighton, happy birthday to you.
All right, and turning 7 strong is Carly Brookshire. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Carly.
And we've got Kinley Johnson celebrating birthday number 8 in Oswego. A very happy birthday, Audrey. Or Kinley, I'm sorry. Now I'm skipping ahead on the list already.
I was going to say, here's Audrey. And here she is sipping on a non-alcoholic beverage, with wishing her the best of the best. All our love from her family. Audrey is now 12 years old.
And we've got Lexi Carpenter turning 18 in Carl Junction. Lexi, happy birthday.
And Brooklyn Katina Smith is celebrating birthday number 19 this year. Cute puppy there too, Brooklyn in Nevada.
We've got Haley Burr celebrating birthday number 22 in Lamar. Happy birthday, Haley.
All right. And Josh Herder turning the double 3, celebrating birthday number 33 in Chanute.
And we've got Connie Sarwinski celebrating birthday number 79 in Columbus. Connie, a very happy birthday to you.
All right. And Marie Dupree. Thank you. I have a little special note here from Marie. It says she loves watching the KOAM Morning News, and we love having you as a morning show guest. And Marie is 92 years old this year. Looking great there in Columbus.
Our list continues with James Humble celebrating birthday number 27 in Scammon, and Jackie Reitermer celebrating a birthday as well.
Tom and Shelley LaTurner are celebrating their 31st anniversary. They're in Scammon, Kansas. And Henry Moss Jr. is celebrating birthday number 98 this year. That's a big one for Henry in Oswego.
And last but certainly not least, also in Oswego is Larry Richardson celebrating a birthday as well. Happy birthday and anniversary to all of you on the list. And to help the list continue to grow, Tanya has some great information for you.
All right, all you have to do is send us your pictures and we can get them on for you. Just give us a day or two in advance. That'd be pretty helpful. Send them to either one of those emails at birthdays@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're checking out our website for all the cool things that it has to offer, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Get some great deals from local businesses and a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just go to KOAMNewsNow.com, click on the mornings page, and sign up for the Birthday Club today.